How's it going, everyone? Mike here. Today we're going to do an unboxing of one of Printful's best-selling items, which is one of the posters. I ordered one and I wanted to actually just basically examine for myself what my customers get when they order something like this, either through Etsy or any of the other stores that you might have linked through Printful. Now, I've been working with Printful for years. My number one selling items with them are shirts, but I do sell posters from time to time, and I wanted to order one for myself, and I figured I would share the process with you guys. So the size, this is the item actually that I'll be talking about. The size that I ordered is 18 by 24, and as you can see here, standard price is $13. One thing that I do want to mention is shipping is extremely quick, and printing also only took about a day, right? So from the time that I ordered to the time that it was at my door was probably 3 to 4 days. So that's something that you can consider when taking these orders and shipping them to your customers. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play this video for you guys and talk you through it. This is the box that it came in. I was actually very impressed with the package. It would be very hard to damage the item unless you kind of crush the box and really put something heavy on it. The triangle shape makes it stronger, and the thing that I actually liked was that it was double wrapped. So you'll see here as I try to open it, it's actually kind of tough because it was tucked in much more than I thought, which is actually really good because it's protecting the poster. Also, my camera and my screen are telling me that this is 1080p, but as you can see here, the quality of the video doesn't seem like it, so I apologize for that. Okay, so the poster, as you can see, is completely wrapped in a protective paper, and the box itself is fairly tough, like I mentioned. What I'm doing right now is basically just taking the protective wrapper off, and then we're going to look at the actual print and the quality of it. I was actually very impressed with the print. As you can see here, I'll show you what the poster actually was. Let me actually pause for a second. Is show you the preview of the item. So this is what I ordered. This is what your customer would actually see when they're putting in the order. So as you can see here, I actually intentionally went with black. I wanted to see what pure black looked like, and then of course there was white and reflection here. So it was a very clear print and very high detailed item that I wanted to look at. Okay, so that's basically what it was supposed to look like. And this is what I received. As soon as I opened it, I was actually very impressed because it was very clear. There was absolutely no damage on it. Usually there are scratches with those kinds of blacks, for example, when you look at a black color, but that was not the case here. So that was actually, I was very impressed with that. So here I'm basically just putting it out, and now I'm going to turn the camera around to show you guys what it looks like from different angles, and then I'll go for a close-up. I also have some pictures to share that are not part of this recording, so that you can actually see the detail and everything else. So let's see here. So the camera is being turned around, and as you can see here, you can see the actual print, and it looks pretty amazing. I will go in for a closer look in a second. Here it is. This is kind of the reflective water. Like I said, I did record this in 1080p, but you can't see that clear of a detail on this video. And as you can see here, the moon, when you get actually very close, you can see all the details, all the craters. There's nothing blurry. There's nothing that's you know, looking as if it was damaged or anything. And the black is like a very good black. And as you can see here, that even the star, like the little speck there, that's fine detail that's actually showing up in the on the print. So here we are again. This is the picture that I took. So this is a high definition picture, high quality picture that I took with my phone of the actual print. This is not their preview, but this is the actual print. As you can see here, this is with the flash, and you know, the reflection is not that great because it's not a shiny poster, but this is without the flash, with a normal room lighting. And I try to get some detail here, but again, it didn't come out as I expected. And here it is framed, which to me it looks better than expected. So I'm actually very happy with the PRINTFUL quality, their service, and like I said, I've been working with them for years, so they are my #1 print-on-demand choice. Definitely for t-shirts. I have a few of those coming my way as well. I'm going to do more unboxings for you guys, but this is the poster, and the prints are incredible. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I've left a link below for PRINTFUL if you want to look at some of their items closely, if you're considering getting into print-on-demand business, opening up your Etsy shop or anything else. It's definitely a reputable company, and they have been in business for a while. Please like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, if you find them useful and helpful. But other than that, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.